Hello all, good morning and good evening. This is Kiran 20 from Retriever by Automation channel. Before getting into the today's session, I'm going to give a very quick overview on my channel intro, so that you can go through my channel when you get time in detail. Uh, this is basically targeted to give the information on the various objectives. So that is starting from the tools, solutions, knowledge, and based on my experience, I can share my strategies and plans and trends, and currently the latest technologies, evolution and updates based on my experience. I'll share through my channel. If you go through my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/automation, you can find information about me over here. This is about the YouTube channel, and this is about my blog page. So you can find out my previous the stories. Even you can find out the feature the editions that have published a few weeks back about 1, 2, and in detail about the Postbot Assistant. Okay, so this is about my blog, and very soon I'm going to start my own website where I'll put all my experience related information and the articles, and mostly on the AI advancements in the testing and automation side exclusively. So that's about the quick intro. So let's switch on to the today's topic. So the topic that I'm going to present from the trends objective from my channel. And from the past the few weeks been releasing the future editions of Postbot Insider, and this is the third edition that I'm going to publish shortly. This is purely based on the GenAI Assistant. I'm not going to talk about any of the Postbot features. Only I'm going to talk about Postbot feature. And in this the session, I'm going to talk about on scripts generation using the GenAI Assistant. Okay, like other editions, I have designed three component strategy, which primarily the focused on the basic base, where it is focused on the what is the the prerequisites needed for the scripts generation for any end user. So basically and it emphasizes to have three components. One is API basics, second one is scripting basics, and third one is the request collection. So before starting into the generation of the scripts generation using the Postbot, one should have these things so that they can generate the output effectively, and they can review it as per the standards, ensuring that it meets the required quality standards, and can be ready to the suit publishing of the particular test suite. Okay, so that is about the readiness, and followed by the core component. So this is my strategy, that is the second component, which primarily focused on the current component that we are going to walk through today in the session, that is scripts by GenAI Assistant, which primarily discusses discuss about assistant learning, from where we can start the invoke the assistant, and use cases I'm going to give you a walkthrough, and with the implementation part. Okay, so that's about the core component, and followed by So review. So as like previous sessions, uh, I have emphasized on the review of any of the GenAI assistant. So similarly, after generating the scripts, we should have thorough review on the content it has provided, whether it is a comment, whether it is a the script statement or assertion statement, that we have to ensure it is meeting the standards, it is meeting the coverage, it is meeting the required structure. Okay, those things we have to care, we have to take care, that I'm going to discuss in this particular component. So that primarily focused on the two things. One is standards and second one is the validations. So with this, it is going to complete the the suite readiness, so that you are good to deploy for any of the the pipeline executions, or any of your release executions, or any of the dry runs that you can the plan it, or any features that getting ready, you can quickly start your executions as well with this particular suite. Okay, so that's all I have from the program component, and I'm going to cover in the next session on the base component. So thank you, I'll catch you in the next session. Bye.